This is how you switch location on your Instagram account. You can see on mine, it currently says New York, New York. I can do this because I have a business account. So if you have a business account or you're not sure if you do, click on Edit Profile, scroll down to where it says Contact Options. If you tap on that and you have a business account, it should show the option to add a location. Mine currently says New York, New York. You tap on that, and you tap on New York, New York again, or whatever it says for your location, you can type in a new one. It's going to start auto-filling the options based on what you're typing. You pick the correct one, then you can add street address and zip code as well if you want to. Click on Done and then Save, and then your location is going to be updated. If you did not see those options there, then you do not have a business account. You have either a personal account or a creator account. I'm going to show you how to work through both of them to get a business account and then be able to add your location. To illustrate this better, I switched my account to a creator account. You notice my location is gone now. If I tap on the hamburger icon on the top right and I scroll down a little bit, we see it says Creator Tools and Controls. If we tap on that and scroll to the bottom, we see it says Switch Account Type. Tap on that, choose Switch to Business Account, tap on Switch, and now we have a business account and we see our location filled in there. Yours will not autofill a location. It's just filling that in because it remembered what I had on my business account previously. If you currently have a personal account, the steps are a little bit different. I switched mine to a personal account just now so I can illustrate how to do it. Tap on the hamburger icon in the top right and then scroll down to the very bottom pretty much to where it says Account Type and Tools. Tap on that, tap on Switch to Professional Account, tap on Next, choose options here that best describe you, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Make sure you choose Business and not Creator if you want to have a location associated with your profile. Tap on Next. You can add your business address right here. Just tap on Business Address, tap on City and Town, start typing, and then select whatever location you want. Tap on Done. And then next. You don't need to connect to Facebook to make this work, but you can if you want. Skip that for now, tap on X, and now we have our new location that we see right there. And if you want to change this anytime in the future, you can do the steps I showed at the beginning of this video where we tapped on Edit Profile and changed our location. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.